Changing your password on Square is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to securely update your password. Step 1. Login. Visit the Square website or open the Square app and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security of password section. Click on this option to proceed with changing your password. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the required criteria for security. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again if required. Finally, click on the Save or Update button to apply the changes. After completing these steps, your password will be successfully changed. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider updating it regularly for added security.